Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about the 5 great different things you need to try to get rid of back pain. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. All of us have experienced back pain, and many of us don't know why. Finding the causes of back pain may be a little bit complicated for us because there are thousands of reasons that can cause back pain. Fortunately, just as the same as its numerous causes, there are lots of different actions that can alleviate back pain or help to prevent back pain from getting worse. In today's video, we are going to be sharing with you 5 different ways that can help you out with back pain. The list we will give you is all about relieving pressure, reducing strain, some drinks, protecting your spine, strengthening your muscles, and more. So, stick around to the end to get rid of back pain or prevent it from getting worse. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Number 5. Sleeping pose. Generally speaking, people spend 8 hours sleeping. As a result, the sleeping pose will impact our bodies a lot. Sleeping on the stomach is one of the most detrimental sleep poses. If you have back pain, you should never sleep on your stomach because it definitely will worsen your pain. Sleeping on your back also may have bad effects on your spine because of the pressure it may put on it. So, the best sleeping pose for someone who suffers from back pain is to sleep on his or her back while he or she is placing a pillow under the back. Elevating your legs slightly will relieve the extra pressure on the back and spine. For further relief, you should put another pillow under your knees. This pose will be great for you if you have back pain. If you are curious about sleeping poses, we have a video on our channel that describes what are the best sleeping poses for specific health issues. You can check it out too. Sleep quality is also effective for reducing back pain. When you have a refreshing night's sleep, your back will feel less sore during the day. A night of healthful sleep can have healing advantages and make you feel revived, rejuvenated, and less stressed. Number 4. Strengthening core muscles. The numerous benefits of regular exercises are obvious for everyone, but a regular strength training routine that focuses on your core muscles, both back and front, will surely improve your back pain. When your core muscles are strong, you are less likely to experience back pain, strains, and muscle spasms. Try incorporating back and abdominal strengthening exercises into your workout at least 2 times per week to develop a stronger, more flexible back to prevent back pain. Number 3. Change your shoes. It might be surprising for you, but one of the main reasons for back pain is uncomfortable shoes. High heels are the worst thing you can wear. Try some comfortable low-heeled shoes to prevent or reduce back pain. Proper shoes decrease the strain on your back while you are standing and walking. Shoes with less than 1-inch heels are the best shoes to reduce and stop back pain. Number 2. Do stretches. Standing, sitting, walking, and lying down in one place for an extended amount of time is not healthy for your back, spine, and other parts of the body. You can relieve the strain in your muscles and bones by getting up, walking around after a prolonged sitting. The best thing you can do is to do some stretches. Not all stretches are beneficial for back pain, some of them may worsen your pain, so be careful what types of stretches you are doing. Don't you know what are beneficial stretches for back pain? Don't worry, because we have several videos on our channel to give you the exact instructions for back pain relief stretches. Another way you can try is yoga. It is an effective way to stretch your back, promote the health of muscles and joints, improve the distribution of healing nutrients through blood flow, and boost the flexibility of the spine. Number 1. Anti-inflammatory drinks. If you consume anti-inflammatory foods or drinks regularly, several types of antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and even anti-cancer agents can build up in your blood. Over a while, these influential agents can play a notable role in decreasing and/or eliminating inflammatory reactions in the body. Drinking these healthy beverages regularly may help reduce your back pain. Ginger green tea. You can also try infused herbal drinks, such as ginger green tea, which includes the pain-relieving properties of both green tea and ginger. Ginger green tea bags can be bought from grocery stores, and you can easily enjoy a cup of it either at work or at home. Over a while, these anti-inflammatory factors can build up in your bloodstream, so including these beverages in your daily diet will help reduce overall inflammation and prevent new inflammatory pain. Turmeric milk. Turmeric, an Asian spice, contains antioxidant, anti-arthritic, and anti-inflammatory properties. An easy method to use turmeric is to mix a small quantity, half teaspoon, of turmeric powder in a glass of warm milk. You can add honey or stevia to the milk if you prefer a sweet taste. Consume this beverage, preferably just before bedtime to allow the anti-inflammatory process to work while you sleep. Drinking dairy products may develop inflammation in some people. In such cases, trying other plant-based milk, such as almond milk, can be effective. Cherry juice. Cherries are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory factors. Cherry juice can help relieve muscle pain, which may be chronic or exercise-induced. Cherry juice is easy and available to buy at grocery stores and commonly includes tart cherry extract. Try taking a glass of cherry juice every day and see if it has positive effects in relieving your back pain. Finding the perfect back pain relief technique is always a process of trial and error, making it worth trying multiple approaches. Try these natural pain relieving strategies for your back pain and see what goes best for you. Severe back pain that is not relieved by self-care must be evaluated by a doctor or other health professional for an accurate diagnosis and therapy plan. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.